Is AI is getting better in writing the test cases than human? Right? This is a very important thing I want to discuss, especially because I have seen. Do you also think that is AI is going to replace you? If the answer is, then I want to give you a reality check. We have a lot of manual testers right now in our company, and they are scared, to be honest. Let me tell you why. The real reason is because we are right now started using lot of different LLMs, right? We have Plot 4 version, which is now allowed us to use it. ChatGPT versions of 4.1 and 2, which are pro versions, which are allowed in the company nowadays. You know what is happening right now? The thing is, previously we had lot of manual tester who used to write number of test cases, right? But AI is getting very smart in creating the test cases. I'll tell you why. What is the story? Okay, so recently we had almost 7 plus manual testers, and we have almost 8 plus automation testers also. Okay, so we wanted to have a release. We wanted to see if the AI is going to write the exactly good coverage or a test case coverage or not, if we provide the best number of the context to them, right? What we saw was very different, everyone, very different. So we fed up all the requirements that we have created for a particular feature we wanted to use. AI was able to generate much faster the test cases as compared to the manual tester that we have seen. Rule number one, which is very scary. Second thing was the tools that we were using. They covered more number of edge cases as compared to the normal human being. But the only thing is, the more context that we give, the more AI was able to give the more number of edge cases. What do you mean? It means that here, 5 people are able to write within 1 week. Suppose they are able to write like 200 test cases. AI was able to write more than 600, 700 test cases with so many good edge cases, so many good P0 test cases, so many good P1 test cases, the moment we have provided more and more context, which was very scary. And third thing we have experimented, which is human testers definitely have the intuitions, they have a domain expertise, but AI definitely lack in all this. Lot of analytical things, sometimes basic things, intuition things, and domain expert things are definitely lack on the AI test cases which were written. But still, the AI has reduced the manual efforts, even the human errors, which basically can cause the bugs in production, right? AI was able to easily handle. And we tried the same thing by releasing a particular feature in a hotfix manner, where we had a team of people who released the same product while using the manual version automation that we have tried with the AI, especially, right? And the result was amazing. The best result was AI definitely can generate good number of test cases, coverage wise is good. The more good context that you give, AI was able to basically learn it. And the next release we wanted to do, it was already ready with the good number of test cases. So which overall, in the conclusive manner, which I definitely want to say, especially to all the manual tester, it's a message. If you're 3 year, 5 year, 7 year and 10 year and everything, right? AI is definitely coming for all of us. This is experiment. What is the experiment that which we have done? AI was much better, almost 15 to 20% more better as compared to the test case which has written. Tools that we have used, it is much faster, easy way to do it. Edge cases were also good if we have provided the more context. Couple of things where it lacks, but definitely I would say, I don't know, after 1 year or 2 years, the things will be very different as compared to this. Okay, so that's what's about it, which is AI is better than the humans or not. This was one of the experiment we have done it internally in our company, and this was the result which I wanted to share with you. I hope this makes sense. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for learning generative AI as well as AI automation, link in the description. I have created a couple of resources where you can learn generative AI, AI agents, MCP servers. I will be covering a lot of tutorials. Do let me know if you want MCP servers and other AI agents also, how to create and how to learn them, right? If you want to have this thing, let me know in the chat. These are the things. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the video. It's a short video around this, but I hope this makes sense. It is definitely not going to replace you as of now, but I am little worried, to be honest, as a conclusion. Okay, give me a like and thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.